The Edward Searle House is an historic stone-ender in Cranston, Rhode Island in the village of Oaklawn. The house is one of the oldest surviving buildings in the state. The house was rebuilt in 1677 on the site of the original 1670 house off of the remaining stone end and chimney which survived the burning by Native Americans during King Philip's War, and was remodeled around 1720. The 1.5-story gable-roofed stone ender remains a part of the newer house. Edward Searle was a son-in-law of Thomas Ralph, who was one of the original purchasers of the land from the Indians. The owner of the house has placed a large chalkboard on the front porch, often containing messages for passers-by. Bibliography. Historic locations. Oaklawn Village, formerly Searle's Corner. Quote, archived from the original on 7 August 2011. Retrieved 7 August 2011. CS1 maint. Bot. Original URL status unknown. Link. Dunn, Christine. Oaklawn in Cranston. History and a bike path run through the Victorian village. Providence Journal. Mello, Michael. Dating R.I.'s oldest houses is part science, part art. PDF. Providence Journal. Archived from the original. PDF. On 15 November 2005. See also. List of the oldest buildings in Rhode Island.